Indian female students of Ad-din Sakina Medical College, Jashore celebrated their country's National Republic Day. On 26 January 2023, Thursday morning, the first year student of Ad-din Sakina Medical College organized a cultural program on the occasion of the day at the Digital Lecture Gallery of the Medical College. Alia Khan recited from the Holy Quran on this occasion. Afreen Alam Khan recited a patriotic poem. After that, the student performed some patriotic songs. Hiba Jamal and Sheikh Anam Firoz Bhai, who were in charge of presenting the program, gave a brief speech on Republic Day. Then they paid their respect to their country by singing the national anthem of India. All the teachers and students present stood up and showed their respect. Vice Principal Dr. Muhammad Sirajul Islam was present as the chief guest in the event. He congratulated the Indian girls on the occasion of the day. Among others, Phase 1 Coordinator, Head of Department of Biochemistry, Associate Professor Dr. Marufa Akhtar, Associate Professor Dr. Shushmita Nargis, Head of Department of Forensic Medicine Dr. Saima Hafiz Simi, along with teachers of various departments were present in this program. Finally, the student took part in a photo session with the teachers of Ad-din Sakina Women's Medical College. Alia Khan, News Zone BD, Jashore, Bangladesh.